Assalamualaikum students, welcome to all in SST class. Okay, today I'm going to teach you the lesson number 4 part 2. Okay, in the last class we have you have read about the maps. That is the reference unit number 4 and part 2, and today we will discuss the important point of this lesson and the exercise questions. And one more thing I will tell you, that in this class I will also revise the all objective of the lessons. Okay, so very carefully you will attend the lesson. You will not create any problem. Noor, Fatma, be attentive beta. All of you will keep your books and notebooks along with you. Okay, your course book, social studies, and the notebook you will keep with you. Understand? Okay, ji. Okay, in the last class I have told you about the things that are maps. Okay, the first thing is map. But I gave you the definition of map. What is map? What is map? A map is a flat drawing of a place which represents its feature as seen from the sky. Maps can be made for a building, town, city, country, continent, or even for the world. Okay, this is map. Different kinds of map. I have told you there are different kinds of map. Noor, Fatma, where are you going, beta? Come in and end the class. Okay, Ji, the first kind is hand-drawn map. It is drawn by the hand, and it is a, you can say it is a artwork also. Then the scale map, then satellite map, and the contour map. Okay, Ji. Welcome students who are coming now, but the time is 12:20. So all of you will in the classroom at 12:20 sharp. Next is use of map. How we can use a map. Hassan Raza, welcome in the classroom. Okay, there are different uses of map. The first I will tell you the very important reason, very important use to find a place or locate an area, to find the best routes to get to a place, to trace the chains of a place over a period of time, to guide. Okay, Ji, to guide the sailors and the pilots for accurate measurement of landforms. Okay, this is the use of map. On the camera, everybody will on the camera throughout the class. Okay, a map includes measures of the depth, height, breadth, length of and of the land area or oceans. This is known as a contour map. And the contour map, you can learn about the height of the area. What is the height of the area from the sea level? Okay, there are many different types of maps which are used for the different purposes. Okay, then I have told you the physical maps. In the physical maps, you will learn about the mountains and land features and extra, and the physical maps are drawn on scale by dividing the area into vertical and horizontal line. Okay, vertical and horizontal line mean there are two lines. The one is the lines of longitudes and the second is lines of latitude. Okay, the lines of longitude, what are the lines of longitudes? Okay, I have told you, but I will tell you again in this class. The lines of longitudes, meridians of longitudes are imaginary vertical lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. They give us angular distance east to west from a standard meridian. Okay. Sultan Minhas and Asnaf, welcome in the class, beta, and Alishba too, welcome in the class, but come in the class in the proper time. Greenwich meridian is a 0-degree line of longitude that passes through the parish of Greenwich in London, England. The Greenwich meridian divides the world into two halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Each line of longitude is given an alphabet and the degree to help us locate an area on the map. Okay, the next is lines of latitude. What are the lines of latitude? Okay, beta Sultan Minhas, Muhammad Dawood, beta come in the class in the proper time. Lines of latitudes. The parallels of latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines that circle the earth from east to west. They tell how far north or south a place is from the equator. You know what is equator? Equator is an imaginary line. The equator is a line drawn at 0-degree latitude which divides the earth into two equal halves in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. These are numbered and degrees and stated to assess the locating the area. Okay, now come to the main topic. Okay, ji, the students are coming in the classroom, welcome in the classroom, but come in the class at proper time. Okay, ji. The exercise questions. Okay, open the notebooks now. Everyone open the notebook. Check the question answer. Okay, the first question, define a map. Check the question answer because all of you know that you are going to appear your first term assessment from 5th of August. Okay, so you have to prepare all this thing. So yes, beta Noor Fatma, I can see your notebook, but check the question answer. Okay, check it. Okay, what is map? Define a map. The answer, everyone, Javeria Hasnan, I think is Javeria Hasnan, a boy, I can see a boy sitting over there. Beta, open the notebook and check the work. Okay? Okay, ji. The first question, that is define a map. Check and put a small tick. Okay, ji. Ishal Rashid, beta, open the notebook, check the question answer. Ishal, open the notebook. A map is a flat drawing of a place which represents its features as seen from the sky. Map can be made for a building, town, city, country, continent, or even for the world. Okay, this is the, yes, beta, I can see Ishal. Now open it and check the answer of this question. The first question, define a map. Okay, open it. Open the notebook. Have you written the question answer of this chapter from the website? Ishal, have you written, beta? Have you written? Okay, the question number one, check the question number one. The next. Question number two, write a short note how maps were drawn in the past. Okay, the answer of the question is, in the past, people measured the areas and observed the shapes of the land. Observed the shape of the land by drew them as map. Most of the time, they estimated the distance, height, and position of the position. Students, G. Most of the time, they estimated the distance, height, and position of the city. Okay. Okay. Everyone who are coming now, open the notebook so that you can check the question answer. Alishpa Umar, beta, welcome in the classroom, but open the notebook, check the question answer. We are revising the question answer. Okay. Next question. Write 3 uses of map. Okay. What are the 3 uses of map, or write 3 uses of map? Answer is, maps are used, number 1, to find a place or locate the area. This is the number 1. Okay. The use number 1, to find a place or locate the area. Number 2, to find the best routes to get to our place. Okay. What is the second number? To find the best routes to get to a place. If you want to go any place, so you can get the best route from the map. Number 3, to get sailors and pilots. Okay, to guide sailors and pilots. It is a very important point that map help the sailors and pilots. Sailors sail the ship in the sea on the ocean, and pilots fly the aeroplane. So there are 3 uses of map in this answer. The first one is to find a place, to locate the area. The second, to find the best routes to get to a place. And the third is to get sailors and pilots. Okay, have you checked it? Everything is correct? Noor Fatma, are you checking, beta? Noor Fatma, checking? Okay, great. Ishal Rashid, have you done the question number 3? That's great. Question number 4. Okay, this is the question number 4. G. Question number 4. Describe latitude and longitudes. I have already told you about the lines of longitudes and latitude, but here I will explain one more time. What are the longitudes? The meridians of the longitudes are imaginary vertical lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. And latitudes, the parallels of latitudes are imaginary horizontal line that circle the earth from east to west. This is the basic difference from longitudes and latitude. Okay, the first, I will tell you about the longitudes. The meridians of longitudes are imaginary vertical lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole, and latitudes are parallel lines. Okay, the longitudes are vertical lines and the latitude are parallel lines. Parallels of latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines that circle the earth from east to west. Okay, this is the question number 4. Everyone has checked question number 4? Now question number 5. Okay, question number 5. What is contour map? What is contour map? So, Urva Kamran, after completing my lecture, I will give you the time, then you can ask the question. Okay? A contour map is a map illustrated which contour lines. For example, a topographic map which shows valleys and hills. Sadan, Talha, don't send me any request to create problem on the screen. Okay? Today I will note the name of all students who will send me this type of request. Then I will send these names to my VP. Understand? And next time you will not attend any class if you will show this type of behavior. A contour map is a map illustrated with contour line. For example, a topographic map which shows valleys and hills and steepness or gentleness of slopes. Okay, Ji? Next question. Okay. We have done all the question one more time. Students came here and I will Ishal, after completing my lecture, I will give you the time, then you can ask the question. Again, because some students enter late in the classroom, so I will explain one more time the question answer. Then we will do the revision of the question answer. Well, the question number 1, the students who have checked, that's good. And the student who entered the class now, they can check the note in their notebook the question answer. The first question, define a map. A map is a flat triangle of a place which represents its features as seen from the sky. Map can be made for a building, town, city, country, continent, or even for the world. Next question, write short note how to maps were drawn in the past. The answer is, the question is, in the past, people measured the areas and observed the shapes of the land and drew them as a map. Most of the time, they estimated the distance, height, and position of the city. Okay, this is the question number 2. Number 3, write 3 uses of map. Maps are used to find a place or locate the area, to find the best roads to get to a place, to guide the sailors and pilot. Okay. Number 4, describe latitudes and longitudes. Longitudes, the meridians of the longitudes are imaginary vertical lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole, and the latitudes, a parallel of latitudes, are imaginary horizontal lines that circle the earth from east to west. The last question. What is contour map? A contour map is a map illustrated with contour lines. For example, a topographic map which shows valleys and hills and steepness of or gentleness of slopes. Okay, we have done the question answer of this, which we have done on the notebook. Now look at this slide. We will do the revision of all objective question from unit number 1 to unit number 4. So open the book now. Everyone open the book. Everyone open the book, page number, open the book beta, page number 4, the lesson number 1. Yes beta, this book, yes, very good Ishal. Page number 4. You should have pencil, yes beta, that's very good. Page number 4, pencil should be in your hand so you can tick on the fill in the blanks. Okay. Musa, on the camera please. Musa, on the camera so that I can see you. What are you doing? Okay, the first lesson objective on the page number 4, the first question is fill in the blanks. Okay, check it on the book. The universe consists of billions of dash. In the dash, you will write galaxies. Galaxies, galaxies. Okay, I hope you have written. Number 2, we can see about. Alishpa, you came late in the classroom. Now open the book, page number 4, and check the objectives. We can see about dash stars from the earth, 25,000 25000, 25000, you will write over here. The Milky Way has dash planets. Okay, 8 planets. Ishal, why you are not checking the notebook? Book your? Have you done the objectives? Beta, if you ask the question at the end of the lecture. Okay. The Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. Okay. What you will write in the blank? 24 hours. Everything above the equator is known as Northern Hemisphere. Okay. What is known as Northern Hemisphere? The first man landed on the moon in the year 1969. 1969. 1969. The moon is dash kilometers away from the Earth. 384,000 kilometers away from the Earth. The dash is 100 times bigger than the Earth. Sun. You will write here sun. The sun is 100 times bigger. Okay, the rest of the question you have done on the notebook. So, there is a, okay, then on the next page, number 5, there is a table. Make the following chart and do the research to fill the required information about the 8 planets. Okay, you will write the first, you will write the name of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, then you have to complete what they required information. Okay, time it takes to circle the sun, time it takes to circle its own axis, distance from the sun, number of the moon it has. Okay, go to Google. Okay, on the internet, enter the name of the planet, and after that you will get each and every information. Then you will fill the blank, these tables. Okay, understand? Okay, G. Now come to the next page, page number 10, unit number 2. Page number 10, beta. Open the page number 10 on the book. Open the, yes, very good. That's Ishal, good. Okay, G. The first question is fill in the blanks. The first one, there are dash countries in the world today. 196. How many countries? 196. There are dash continents in the world. 7. Okay, there are 7 continents in the world. Number 3, the continents are Asia dash. You will write in the dash Africa. What you will write? Africa. Africa, the continents are Africa, North America, South America, and there is one blank more, Antarctica. Keep in mind, when you will write the spelling of Antarctica, that will be accurate. Antarctica. Many students miss the C in the Antarctica. So I will repeat the spelling of Antarctica once again. Antarctica. Antarctica, Europe and Oceania. Okay, there are 2 blanks. You will write in the first blank, you will write Africa, Africa, and the second blank, you will write the continent name Antarctica, Antarctica, Antarctica. Okay, the last and number 4 blank is Pakistan is, okay, Pakistan is in the continent of dash. You will write in this blank Asia. What you will write? Asia, okay? Asia. Musa, you turn on the camera, please, on the camera so that I can see you. Okay, Ji. Now there is a table. Artagal Ghazi, please enter the class in your own name. Okay? Complete. You will attend the class with your own names. Okay? Musa, are you checking the objectives on the book? Open the book, page number 10. Gigi, Sarah, Ishal, Rashid, I have seen. Good, Peter. Okay, now complete the following table. You have to complete the information about the different country. For example, in the first block, they have written name of the country, capital city, look at the book, not in the camera, and continent. Okay, so capital city is the first, on the first, kya kahenge? We will say in the column, they have written Paris in the capital city. And you know what? Paris is the capital city of France. So right here, France, F-R-A-N-C-E, France. Paris capital city. Paris is the capital city of France, and it is situated in continent Europe. Right here, Europe. EUROPE, Europe. Okay, Musa, are you writing? What are you doing? Write the answers. If you have written, then check it. Okay. Second, continent Africa is written on the book. So you have to write the country name and the capital city. We will write the country South Africa. Write there South Africa on the second, on number 2. Name of the country South Africa and capital city Cape Town. CAPE, Cape, TOWN, Cape Town. Okay. Written. Ishal Rashid, I think you're some little bit worried. Okay, that's fine. Number 3. Number 3, you can check country name is given Spain. Okay, Spain. So, the name of the capital city of Spain, that is Madrid. MADRID, Madrid. The name of the country, capital city of Spain is Madrid. Arsal, on the camera. MADRID, Madrid. Okay, and where is Spain located? It is in Europe, in the continent of Europe. EUROPE, Europe. Write quickly, Shabash. Then number 4, capital city is written here, that is Mexico City. You know what a very strange thing about the Mexico City? The name of the country is also Mexico. So in the name of the country, number 4, you will write Mexico. MAXICO, Mexico. Okay, and the continent block, you will write North America. NORTHAMERICA, North America. Okay. Then number 5, Mexico City, country name is Mexico. It is a small country, it's a state of America, and it is located in North America. Next, number 5, Canada is written there. Okay, capital city of Canada is Ottawa. OTTAWA, Ottawa. OTTAWA, Ottawa. And it is also the continent of Canada is North America. NORTH, North America. AMERICA, America, North America. Number 6, capital city is given here, that is Cairo. Okay, the Cairo is the capital city of Egypt. EGYPT, Egypt. Look at the book, Ishal. EGYPT, Egypt, the capital city of Cairo, and it is in the continent Africa. Right there, Africa. AFRICA, Africa. Okay. Then number 7, the very famous country, China. Everyone knows China is a great friend of Pakistan. Okay, the capital city of China is Beijing. 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 The capital city of China is Beijing. 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 And the continent of China is Asia. ASIA, Asia. Okay. Number 8, Russia. Russia is written over there. The capital city of Russia is Moscow. MOSCOW. Moscow is the capital city of Russia, and it is located in 2 continents. Russia is the transcontinental country, Asia and Europe. Okay, you will write Asia and Europe on the block in continent column. You will write Asia/Europe. Okay, because Russia is a transcontinental country. Number 9, only continent name is given. So we can write according to our wish any continent, any country name which is located in the continent Europe. So we will write England, country name England, 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 capital city London, 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 and it is in continent Europe. Now the last one, capital city is given. The name of the capital city is given Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya. KENYA, Kenya. Okay, and where Kenya is located, in which continent Kenya is located? It is in Africa. Okay, AFRICA, Africa. Okay, we have done. Everyone has done, or I hope all of you have done, and all of you have checked it once again. Okay. Now come to the next page. Question answer we have done. So match the column. Continent, ocean, largest continent, 15 countries, largest continent. Okay, ji. We have to largen. So 5 South America, 7 Asian Pacific. So we will join continent 7, ocean 5, largest continent Pacific, and 15 countries South America, and largest continent is Asia. In this previous test, you attempted this question. So all of you have no. Now question page number 15, lesson number 3. Umar Imran, I told you, stop sending me such type of request. Okay, I have noted down the name of Umar Imran, class 4C. Now I will send this name to my VP now. Ishal, after 2 minutes, I will give you the time. You can ask the question. Okay, so open the page number 15 on the book. Circle the correct answer. Okay, ji, circle the correct answer. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere is called, circle weather. 3 options are given: report, climate, and weather. Circle the weather. Number 2, the rainy season, the class from June to September. 3 options are given: spring, monsoon, autumn. Circle the monsoon. Okay. Number 3, the average weather condition of a place telling us the temperature, rainfall, wind movement, and sunshine is called. 3 options are given: drought, climate, and weather. So you will circle the climate. Okay. Number 4, the season in which we wear warm cloth is called monsoon, spring, winter. Circle the winter. The spring festival is celebrated in Rajasthan, Sindh, and Punjab. It is in Punjab. Circle Punjab. Okay, ji. Pakistan mostly has dash season 4 to 1. Circle 4. Okay. It lies above the equator. Tropic of Cancer, axis Tropic of Capricorn. Circle the Tropic of Cancer. Circle the Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Okay, ji. Then there on page 17, match the animals with the climate. Is a very simple: fox, rainforest, polar bear, polar land, camel, desert, penguin, polar land, monkey, woodland. Okay, you will match the pictures with the things. Is it okay? Okay, student? Okay. G. Now you can ask a question, only 2 minutes are there. Ji beta?
Ma'am, please can you show me the page number 4?
Page number from the slides or?
No, ma'am. Please can you tell me the answer of we can see about dash stars from the earth?
25,000. 25,000. 25,000.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, right quickly. G.
मैम ये कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल का नंबर 10 का नेम ऑफ द कंट्री क्या था?
अच्छा मैं आपको बताती हूँ. नंबर 10 कीनिया. नंबर 10 कीनिया. Kenya, Nairobi, and Africa. In number 10, you will write.
अच्छा तो तुम नजर आ रहे हो. अच्छा तुम नजर आ रहे हो.
कुछ भी बेटा. हानिया बिलाल, you ask a question.
मैम हमारी लास्ट क्लास ये नंबर 10.
Yes, if you want to ask the question, ask.
नंबर 10.
Yes,
मैम
number 10.
मैम मैंने ये सब कुछ किया हुआ है और मैम मैंने वो एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
जी.
मैम
जी बेटा, one by one ask a question. Yes, you can ask a question.
Hello. Can you tell me what is the name of country of Paris and the continent?
Okay, Paris is the capital city of France. France, France, and it is in
last question. Please show me.
Okay.
Last question. Because the children are talking very much.
Okay, ji. Everyone knows that on 5th from 5th August, you are going to appear on your first term assessment. So you have to learn all the question answer and all the objectives. Understand? That is the reason I revised all the objectives from lesson number 1 to lesson number 4. So you can check what you wrote on your book. Okay? Zainab Yasir, on the camera, please. Don't chew the chewing gum. You are in the classroom. Okay. Ji, Momna Khoso, you want to ask the question? You want to ask the question, Momna Khoso? Okay, wait.
Ma'am, can you tell me which state will on which date will the paper will start or the assessment?
Beta, from 5th August, your first term assessment is going to start, but all of you got the syllabus. Within 1 or 2 days, you will also get the date sheet. Okay? Don't worry about it. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, Ji.
Yes.
Ji Zainab Shah, okay. Ji Zainab.
मैम
जी
मैम हमने पेज नंबर 16 भी करना है.
Page number 16. Beta, these are the
Yes.
on the page number 16. There are only the things are given, and for example, there is umbrella. When you use umbrella, when there is rainy season, when you wear shorts in summer, hat you will use in summer, and gloves you will wear in winter. You have to write only which dress you use in which season. Okay, this is very simple. This is a lot of noise. Okay, thank you very much. Anybody ask a question? G.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is the homework?
Homework, your homework. Wait, yes, learn all the question answers. Number 4, maths, and you have to revise all the units. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, G. Ishal, Rashid, okay, beta. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Allah